What is going on, everyone? So it has been quite some time. It's actually been probably about a month or two since I made the last video. I know it came up pretty recent, but I mean, it's been a while. I've just been holding on to it because I figured I'd have more content sooner. And so I was holding on till I could release it till I had more content coming up. And so, I mean, this is it really. You can see there's an engine hoist behind me, and you might even spot the engines in the Civic. So I mean, as you can see, there's still a whole bunch of crap in here, so my ex and her family still has to move the rest of their stuff out, but let's not get into that this video. You heard about it all last video. So, diving into it, as you can see, we got our engine hoist. Had to move our stack of wheels and tires out of the way here in order to move the engine hoist in there. I did have to take off the front cover because the engine mount does mount up behind the front cover, and I used one of the bolts for the engine mount in order to hoist it in there. So I do need to still go back and put our front cover on, but this is where we sit, guys. So as you can see, we got the engine in. There's no harness on it right now. There's nothing else really done. Battery's dead in the flashlight, of course. So sorry for the poor lighting. You're just gonna have to bear with me on this one. I do apologize. But you can see we got that mount on there. We do have the T-bracket bolted up, even though you can't see it, unfortunately. I moved our wheels and tires over here, velocity stack sitting there. I did take the exhaust manifold off in order to mount it all up there, get it in the bag. Exhaust manifold sitting over here. Our 1320 racing exhaust header. Hood exit, of course, as you can see. Daughter's bike, ex's bike, so on and so forth. Yeah. So now all we got left to do is, I did get the clutch and pressure plate thrown on there. So all I gotta do is bolt the transmission up there, mount it into place, get the shift linkages on, and then literally just wire it, pour some fluids in, and we're good to go. I have been watching Boosted Boys. I know a lot of you guys do as well. So I learned from Roman's mistakes. There is a filter on there. I promise you it is tight. Everything is good to go. I lubed it up first, the little O-ring. I put some oil on my finger, lubed it up. So that's good to go. I need to finish tightening up my hose clamp there, do all my vacuum lines, get my fuel rail on there, get all the wiring tucked up, everything. We're not tucked up, I'm not tucking anything, obviously it is dirty. But yeah, so get my wiring all plugged in, I should say. There we go, that's a much better word for it. Get my ground cable on there, everything is coming together. So I know it's been a long time, I do apologize. I'm really sorry for all the delays. I hope you could bear with me. I've been going through a lot of personal stuff, and I really haven't been motivated is the main thing. Money does hurt right now because the whole separation, it's not exactly a divorce, even though 6 years together, we have a 5-year-old kid, it's kind of like a divorce. But it sucks, that's really all it is. So just getting back into the swing of things, getting my motivation back. Trying to cover my bills as well as maintain the race car, the 335i's, the daily, and I'm sure you guys know all about those and their reliability, and 54. So, let me know what you want to see. I got plenty more to come. If you want to see me actually working on the Civic, I can. If you want to see me working on the 335, I put a little bit of brakes into the last video, so minor there, just little tips and tricks really. Just let me know what you want to see, guys. I got lots to come. Once the Civic is up and running, we will be making trips out to Mexico as well as the track. I want to see what it runs on times on both spray, and I do have this little engine tucked away here that will be getting boost at some point. Got the H22 crank in there, H22 rods, pistons, all that fun stuff. Nipon pistons, so hopefully we'll be able to make right around 400 or 500 on that. The spray should see right around 300 to 350. We'll get it on the dyno for you guys. Check it out, see what numbers it really makes. Let me know, like I said, what you want to see. Whenever we take the Civic to the dyno, we could always throw the BMW back on the dyno. I do know last time it did make 407 wheel horse and 452 wheel torque. Whenever it's got a boost leak somewhere, it's targeting 21 pounds and only hitting about 17 and a half. So there's more power left on the table there. Probably boost solenoids, boost leaks somewhere. It's an N54. And then this, we'll actually get it legitimately tuned this time because I learned my lesson last time. I know. Should have tuned it. It would have lasted longer. Why you roughing out the non-VTEC crank to 8400? A whole bunch of other questions you guys had. And don't worry, they're all getting fixed this time. So stay tuned. Got plenty more to come, as you can see. We're finally getting back into it. I didn't forget about you guys. I didn't forget about the Civic. I had a lot of stuff going on, and I apologize. But we're finally getting back in the swing of things, getting our motivation back. And so, keep it tuned. Alright everyone, we're back. Another update with our Civic, and as you can see, we're on the ground, everything's together, and we got it all back in. So, here we go. Engine's in, header is on, got our radiator, everything's in there, all of our fluids, all set up. Got our trans back in here. Everything should be good to go. The only thing that I've had a problem with so far is it won't disengage for some reason. So I could put it in gear and it'll be in gear, but then if I try to push the car, it doesn't go anywhere. If I press in the clutch, it's still engaged and it won't let go. So let's go ahead and start it up for y'all, just so you can hear it, because it's been quite a while. Got the battery on a charger. Got our key in. Check engine lights on, because I'm pretty sure the knock sensor, but there it is, guys. She's up, she's running. We're back. Got our H22 stroker on nitrous. We're back and running it all. Can't wait to get some more action shots for everybody. Like I said, we do have our check engine light. It is on for some reason. I'm not sure why the check engine light's on. I'm pretty sure it's the knock sensor that I didn't plug in. So we're gonna have to fix that. But yeah, we're up, y'all. Little two-step. Radio, and a little tour of the car, get my steering wheel. It's been so long, guys. It's been so freaking long, but we are back. The only thing now is the clutch. It won't go into gear. Because the clutch, for some reason, I got pressure, but it doesn't want to let go of the clutch. It's stuck on the flywheel. I don't know why, but yeah. And I gotta figure out why the check engine light's on. Like I said, I think it's the knock sensor, but I'm not exactly sure on that. We'll have to figure it all out. But we're up. I took the nitrous bottle out because I was gonna drive it, and it's illegal to drive around with nitrous in the car, so I didn't want a cop to see it. But obviously we're not driving anywhere right now because, well, I can't get it in the gear. But yeah, that's that. We're back up, we're running, we're good to go. Just need to figure out this whole clutch sticking issue, and we're set. So stay tuned, y'all. We got plenty more to come. We got it back up and running. I'm so excited. We're so close. So close. Just gotta figure out why the clutch is sticking, and we're set, guys. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. We got plenty more to come now.